Tangled wipers on your Ford Escape or Focus happen when the wiper motor sequence gets out of sync. This usually occurs if snow or heavy ice blocks the blades, forcing the internal motor linkage to slip. The driver and passenger wipers then collide during operation. You can easily fix this issue by resetting the wiper arms to their factory home position. First, you need to pry off the small plastic caps covering the nuts at the base of each wiper arm. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pop them off. Take a socket wrench and completely remove the nuts holding both wiper arms in place. Give the base of the arms a firm wiggle to break them loose from the splined shafts. Lift both wiper arms off the windshield and set them aside. Now, get inside your car and turn the ignition key to the accessory position. Turn your wiper switch on, let the bare motor shafts spin through one full cycle, and then turn the switch off. This forces the motor to return to its exact park position. With the motor parked, place the driver's side wiper arm back onto the shaft. Position the blade about 1 inch above the plastic cowl on the windshield. Tighten the retaining nut securely so the splines bite into the metal. Finally, install the passenger side wiper arm. Position this blade slightly higher than the driver's side so they do not overlap. Tighten down the final nut. Snap the plastic covers back on, and test your perfectly aligned wipers with some washer fluid.